Hi, my name is Kathy Wallace, and I am an elementary school teacher, librarian, and technology integration specialist in the Kent School District. I'm also a member of the Washington Children's Choice Picture Book Award Committee. And today I'm going to share a book with you that's one of our nominees this year, Ogilvy, written by Deborah Underwood and illustrated by T.L. Macbeth. Ogilvy is the story of a bunny who moves to a new town. And when Ogilvy moves to the new town, the possibilities are endless. Lots of new bunny friends and things to do. But Ogilvy finds out that in this town, bunnies who wear dresses play ball and knit socks, and bunnies who wear sweaters make art and climb rocks. Ogilvy wants to do everything and realizes that Ogilvy is not going to let a sweater or a dress get in the way of that. I loved sharing this book with students, and I have several ideas about how to use this book in a virtual environment. One of them is to allow students to hear the book Ogilvy and then respond to the book through a website called Flipgrid, where students can record their thoughts and then upload their video to a website, and then their classmates can respond to their video. So it's a great way for students to have discourse and discussion around a topic. Teachers and librarians, you can set that up so that you preview the video before it's posted for the world to see. So that's kind of a nice feature. Another idea I have to use Ogilvy is to use it, read the book in the fall, and give every student a small-ish pumpkin. And each student can use their pumpkin and decorate it in a way that shows their Ogilvy, some kind of outfit or clothing that they would put on their pumpkin, and then do a little write-up about how that outfit isn't necessarily identifying that pumpkin as a specific job or person, but write about what that pumpkin can do with that outfit and what kind of life they have. And they can share those responses and share their pumpkins through a class meeting or through Flipgrid, again, and then respond to each other's videos. So just a couple of ideas about using Ogilvy this year in your classroom or in your library, especially as we're in a virtual environment.